Welcome to Think a Bit. I'm Joe King. And I just woke up and wow, I don't even know what year I'm in anymore. What year are we in? I mean, I came over to Coinmarketcap and look at this. Where's Bitcoin go? It's no longer ranked number 1. Ox is ranked number 2. What the heck is this? Is this like the future? Where's Bitcoin at? All right, let's see what's been going on in the last 24 hours. Wow, look at the market cap of USDC coin. This must be the new US dollar. I can't even read that number. It's so big. And this, I don't know what this company is, but I'm about to buy some of this. Where did Bitcoin go? Whoa, look at these increases. Is this inflation? Is it Thursday? Did something crazy happen with that Federal Reserve meeting that I don't know about? I have to check what day it is. Look at all these crazy gains. I have to check my portfolio. Hold on. I just want to see if I can find Bitcoin real quick. BTC. What rank are you anymore? You still around? How is it ranked number 1? This is a ranked number 1 still. Oh, it is ranked number 1. What's going on with Coinmarketcap? I can't figure this shit out. A minute ago, it wasn't over here. Now it's over here? All right, maybe it fixed itself. This is exactly what I mean. Coinmarketcap. Whoa, not what? No, I don't go by ranks. Bitcoin's back to number 1. Wow. What's going on with Coinmarketcap? This just goes to show it's unreliable. You come here looking for a price or information, who knows what you're going to get. CoinMarketCap is no good. For a good, reliable prices, you have to go here to CoinGecko. This place never messes up, always gives you the most accurate prices, not like CoinMarketCap. 1 second, you have that Euros thing, USDC coin with a lot of money. Then all of a sudden Bitcoin disappears and it comes back. Unreliable. You have to come here for reliable information. Another place you can go for reliable information is the Think a Bit Discord. If you want to join, I'll put the link down below. But you also can go to thinkabit.io and join there. But let's take a look on Twitter. Oh, our website is currently undergoing some price issues. You don't say. The engineering team is aware of this. All right, let's see what people are saying in the comments about these price issues. CoinMarketCap in real life. Yeah, we've seen them crazy prices. Become a billionaire and then say, yeah, see. All these people know that CoinMarketCap has a lot of issues. So don't even go to them no more. They just killed themselves. They're out of business. Go to CoinGecko. More reliable. All right. Wow, look at this from CoinMarketCap. And imagine a lot of these apps get their price information from CoinMarketCap. A lot of the apps and stuff get their price from they go and just have a plugin built in. It's going to give you the price information off CoinMarketCap. If your app is like that, demand they switch to CoinGecko. All right, that's all I have for today. If you think you're rich or you forgot what year it is, it's just CoinMarketCap's having a lot of issues because they're unreliable. All right, that's it.